Hi everyone, my name is Keith. I'm a machine expert with USACLEAN for 11 years, and this is the Tennant T500. Now in this video series, I'm going to show you some general maintenance that you can do yourself to help keep your machine running at peak performance, and it's going to help minimize the cost and need of sending a service tech. Okay, so we need to replace a damaged recovery tank drain hose. Here's how to do it. First, you will have a couple of zip ties on your hoses holding them together. You want to go ahead and cut those. We've already cut ours. So next step would be to loosen up the recovery tank drain hose clamp right here. And now just pull the hose off the recovery tank. Take off your hose clamp and slide this end back down through the battery compartment. Now, simply take the end, pull it back down through the battery compartment, and remove the hose. Now to reinstall the new hose, all you gotta do is reverse your steps, take the bottom half and slide it into the battery compartment. Take the top half, put it back there. Now, feed the recovery drain hose back up through the battery compartment. Get your hose clamp. Put that back on the new hose and reattach it to the recovery tank. Be sure to tighten down the hose clamp as well. Now the last step is going to be zip tying the two hoses back together, and you're done. Once again, my name is Keith. For all the parts listed in today's video, plus thousands of diagrams and how-to repair guides, be sure to click the link in the description below or visit us on the web at USACLEAN.com. Now, if you like what you watch, go ahead and click that like button and subscribe for future videos. Stay safe and thanks for watching.